How to repair a broken .exe file association. After, hopefully, scrubbing viruses out of a Windows 7 installation, after deciding not to simply run over the laptop repeatedly with my car, I've got everything almost back to normal. The only lingering issue I have is that for my non-admin users, their .exe file extension doesn't work. That is, clicking on the various desktop application links results in a "How do you want to open this?" dialog. I've been through the alleged registry fixing from Win Helpline, and that had absolutely no effect. I've tried running associates for the affected users, but it reports the .exe association to be EXE file even though it persistently does not work. Right-clicking on a desktop icon and then choosing Start does successfully open an application, but that's clearly a terrible situation. For my admin user, things seem to work fine. What do I need to do to get things working?
Open Notepad and save a text file using a .reg extension with the following content. Double-click the file, then reboot. Disclaimer: use at your own risk. There is no guarantee that this will work.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.